Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome aboard the Grand Ship 3. Our next port of call will be over at Morocco. And Captain just informed me that it's still good morning. And got 10 more minutes this afternoon. Anyway, just to remind you folks, here in the middle of the World Showcase Lagoon tonight at 9 o'clock this evening, don't forget our spectacular show called the Illuminations, Reflections of Earth. The show consists of fireworks, laser light, red lighting, colorful dancing fountains. You'll be able to see the show from all around the Showcase Promenade here in the middle of the World Showcase Lagoon at 9 o'clock this evening. Illuminations, Reflections of Earth. Later on this afternoon, they start setting up the firework barges, and that gives you a better view where the show takes place. Once again, Illuminations here in the middle of the World Showcase Lagoon at 9 o'clock this evening. We're now approaching our dock over here in Morocco. On the right side of Morocco, you see the United Kingdom International Gateway, which connects Epcot and our resort hotels. France, on the left of Morocco is Japan, American Adventure, Italy, and Germany. Once again, please remain seated until the boat is secured to the dock. Watch your step when exiting. Have a wonderful afternoon here at the World Showcase and Epcot. Please watch your step when exiting. This is Morocco.